So you've just got your DJI Mavic 3 Pro or Classic and now you need to get an SD card for it, or perhaps you've tried using an SD card you had lying around and it's just not working properly in the drone. DJI have a list of recommended cards, but there's some things you need to think about when choosing a card from that list. All of the DJI recommended cards are V30 U3 cards. And there's loads of memory cards to choose from that meet this spec, but it's probably wise to choose one from the DJI recommended list. It's great that DJI have given us this list, but when choosing a card from this list, there's one important thing to consider. Drone cameras are pretty unique because they fly, they're subject to heat, vibration, and even shock if you accidentally crash. Some of the cards in the recommended list are more suited, in my opinion. That's because not all of the cards in the list are described by the manufacturers as being things like shock-proof or waterproof. After looking at the prices and specifications of all of the cards in the DJI recommended list, there's one card that I'd recommend above all the others. I'll put a link to it in the video description. The card I'm recommending is the SanDisk High Endurance 256GB V30 card. SanDisk states that this card is shock-proof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof. I've used SanDisk cards for over a decade now and I've never had one fail yet. Links are in the description to the DJI recommended cards list and also to the SanDisk card that I'm recommending. And there's 5 mistakes that are common when editing drone videos. Learn what they are and how to fix them by watching this video next. I'm Jason Roberts and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.